know the car washer are like, what the fuck?
Hey, I'm just cleaning for days, bro. If I have to do this for $1 million, I will. Yes. Hey, everybody, driver, I need one more corgi if you guys want to continue watching. One more corgi, chat. Chat, I need one more corgi. One more. Come on, guys. Oh, damn. Someone's car is getting towed right now. Y'all see that? There's literally someone getting towed. Alright, guys. I need more love in the chat. Now, let's see what else I have to clean. My mirrors. Okay, guys. I need to see more corgi. If you guys want to watch me, thank you for the finger hearts, Adarian. You said my see-through top is tough. Did you make it? Yes. Who's Tresso? Who's Tresso? Alright, guys. I'm waiting in the chat. We need 3 more corgis to hit my goal today. I will continue cleaning my car. I'll do like different angles. So if you guys want to watch me clean my tires again, send another corgi. Everybody work together. I'm freezing, so I'm doing it all for you guys. Come on, guys. I drive a Toyota. So, Darian, if you want to see me clean my tires at a different angle, it's going to be one corgi a